Xiaomi is gearing up for the release of its latest flagship, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, which is expected to launch soon, either in January or February. We have the first set of leaked renders showing the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, black and white colors. This is the hands-on first look. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will feature a 50-megapixel main sensor with a 23mm focal length and an f/1.6 aperture, a 200-megapixel periscope sensor. This telephoto sensor is tipped to offer 4.3x optical zoom, a 100mm focal length, and an f/2.6 aperture. The phone will also feature a 50MP Samsung ISOCELL JN5 sensor, a 50MP periscope lens with 2x zoom, a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra will have a 6.7-inch 2K LTPO micro quad curved display with 120Hz refresh rate. It will have an ultrasonic on-screen fingerprint sensor for security. It could be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. It is expected to ship with up to 24GB of RAM. It is expected to run on HyperOS 2.0 based on Android 15. There is a possibility that it may feature a massive 6,200 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.